All right, Jay Woods here. KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We're going to do another box for Charles, England's household. Do box 8. Good luck, man. Let's get another gold. All right, good luck, Charles. Oh, we got Point Man, Chris Paul, Jimmy Butler, Jordan Mickey, Drazen Petrovic, 15 of 350, Trey Lyles, Tony Allen, Clifford Robinson, I'm gonna save your auto. Light blue, Kevin McHale at a 199, 146 to 199, Kevin McHale. LaMarcus Aldridge, Prizm, Jordan Clarkson, Prizm, Kevon Looney, Flash, Alex Lynn, Chris Paul. Okafor, rookie, Tyus Jones, PJ Tucker, Kawhi Leonard, Dikembe, Aaron Harrison, Carmelo, nice. Kobe, Fireworks Prizm. Those are super hard to hit. Very nice. Those prisms on the fireworks are extremely hard to hit. Kobe. Harrison. Nice. Tim Duncan. Ooh, a very nice case. 2 of 25. Tim Duncan. Silver Mojo NBA All-Star Prizm. It's a very nice case. Yeah, the prisms on the fireworks are really, really hard to hit. They have pack odds if you look at them. Kaminsky. Vucevic out of 350. Oubre. Klay Thompson purple out of 99. That's 19 of 99. Klay Thompson regular. Jameer Nelson purple out of 99. Anthony Brown. Got Steph Curry. Devin Booker. John Wall. Nice. Dominique Wilkins. Very, very nice box. Kobe Prizm, Duncan out of 25, and a Dominique Wilkins. You also got the Klay Thompson out of 99. This case has been very good. It's been very, very good. No, they have them online, though. They have them online. Dominique Wilkins. Morris, Bird, Paul, and Irving. Very, very nice box, Charles. Very, very nice box.